Hey there! Pay close attention if you're an internet marketer, blogger, website owner, agency owner, affiliate marketer, or you have any other business online. This is very important for you if you want to boost your sales and conversions. Did you know that a recent marketing analysis shows that multimedia assets like photos, HD videos, graphics, GIFs, logos, 3D characters, icons, etc. convert 100 times better than plain and boring text? Attention-grabbing multimedia assets leave your customers glued to the screen, hence increases the conversion and sales. The fact is, 90% of the traffic leaves your pages just because they don't see any attention-grabbing assets like HD photos, HD videos, GIFs, animations, and mockups. Look, the world is changing, and people don't have time to read boring text. They immediately leave the page if they don't find any interesting asset there. This totally lowers the sales and conversions of any online business. People need attention-grabbing graphics, images, videos, GIFs, and other multimedia assets to quickly understand the content on your website, ads, social media posts, blogs, landing page, or any other page. This makes them quickly understand and take action, hence increasing sales and conversions. $15. This mind-blowing offer is for a limited time and will expire soon. So hurry, act now. We'll see you inside.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, software, training courses, and anything that will help you make money online. If making money online is your desire and your intention, here on my channel, I review products that will help you go a long way in achieving that dream. And today I have another amazing blockbuster software product called DesignMonster. DesignMonster is going live on the 5th of June 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time, and that should be 5 o'clock Central European Time and 4 p.m. GMT. And of course, in a nutshell, this one is going live, being put out there by the super affiliate Rudy Rodra, the creator of Ubot and so many other products that I have reviewed in the past that did very well. And of course, today he is coming up with this one that is called DesignMonster. And DesignMonster is, in a nutshell, is a software that is going to help you create. It actually says that it's an all-in-one suite with 17 million plus multimedia assets, including logo builder, Photoshop editor, unlimited stock images, vectors, videos, GIFs, posters, mockups, and inbuilt image editor, and of course video editor, and so many much more. And of course, he says that it's very much newbie friendly. That means no much skill is required and no experience is needed. And of course, if this is a product you would, because one thing I like about the product is that it's going to help you build a business in a box and be able to do marketing videos, sales pages, so many things that you can do on as a gig on Fiverr and any of the other platforms where they freelance. You'll be able to make money with this one. And if as such this is one product you may like, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link will definitely bring you to the amazing bonus page of mine where you can grab a copy with this link, or of course any of the other green links scattered here. When you click any of these links, they will definitely take you to the sales page where you use this very pop-up to actually get $5 discount on the front end of this one. When you do, you will definitely have it $5 less than the actual front end price. And with that said, let us take more look at some of the capabilities you have with this one. And it's going to be launching for the next 5 days from today. And of course, that's when this very product at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York time, this very link will become active. Then you can use it to actually buy this product. Now, with that said, you can see some of the things they say it's going to help you do. Unlimited download, 100% newbie friendly, and pocket suited. Technology, enjoy laptop style right from your home. Create passive income source with no additional, no prior, and of course, the heavy lifting works for any offer or any niche. And with that said, this is the amazing prices, which means with the very discount coupon you have here, discount pop-up, you will be able to get it for $12 because the front end price goes for $17, and it will give you all these capabilities that I have read out to you. And now OTO number one for this one is the unlimited version of DesignMonster, which goes for $37. And of course, it gives you unlimited capability in any of the functions, as long as this very DesignMonster front-end product is concerned, which means it's equally advisable to get a copy of this. Maybe you can consider all the other OTOs, like the Done For You and the Pro version, which goes for also $37, which is OTO number 2. OTO number 3, DesignMonster exclusive, goes for $97, and this will help them set up Done For You funnel, integration with autoresponder, and approval affiliate offers, and step-by-step funnel training, and 24/7 support. And definitely, this may be another consideration for anyone who really want to work lazily while making money online. And all these are for you to make up your mind on. And OTO number 4 will be reseller. It goes for $37, which means you will grab complete resale rights to DesignMonster today and generate a cool monthly income in the next 24 hours. And here are some of the capabilities you can use this very product to do. No need to invest 10K or 50K for product creation and marketing purposes. It is going to help you keep 100% profit for yourself. And here are some of the things you can use this product for: unlimited stock photos, unlimited stock videos, unlimited logos, background remove tool, premium image editor, premium video editor, unlimited use and downloads, and commercial license, sell unlimited assets, and 30-day money back guarantee. These are all the things that you have as, the benefits you have there, and these are further benefits you can always read at your convenience. And now let me show you that it has 30-day money back guarantee. From the day you bought this product, you'll be able to return it if after for any reason or without any reason you want to actually return it. You can do so in 30 days. Now, with that said, this is the bonuses that I have for you. My first bonus will be make money with make money to your bank using this very secret method. And of course, bonus number 2 will be how to convert your traffic very fast. Bonus number 3 will be get targeted traffic to your websites. And of course, you have bonus number 4 as access to a manufacturer, which will help you build making money on autopilot for yourself in the way that factories do. Okay, now with that said, you have all the vendor bonuses for the product will become yours also with this very link number 5. And with that said, if when you do click this one, you get to the sales page. When you do, you use this coupon to get discount. After that, when you are buying this product on my Warrior Plus account, it will show you under your purchase history a page that looks like this. 2 buttons: the access to your purchase, which is DesignMonster with this green. Under it, you find this blue one that gives you access to the bonuses that I have lined up for you. And of course, you can visit my website and be able to actually use this email in case there is anything you need clarified. And with that said, let us jump into the very software itself. Here you have the software, you have the logo builder, image editor, image creator, and of course you have the short URL capability, Photoshop upgrade, bonuses, and of course you have the support and training. With that said, let us actually see a little bit of how this product in action when it works, okay? So that you see exactly what you have here. This is the product in action. Well, that takes care of the very demo video we are talking about, and at your convenience you will be able to see that for yourself. Now let us take a look at the very sales page and see how you can make use of this one to actually get all the needs that you have. As long as this one is concerned, this is the sales video you can watch when you get here, and you can basically go through everything, every information here before you make up your mind. Here are the very testimonials for this product. This is the creator, Rudy Rodra, another affiliate that I like so much, and I have basically done well, no single refund for all his products that I have reviewed, and of course I am proud to do so today. Now let us try to locate the very bonuses from the vendor that you are going to have access to on the dashboard area when you become a member after buying this product using my link in the description area, the first link there. That is if you make up your mind on that. Okay, now this is bonus number 1, social media marketing agency. Bonus number 2, 1 million high definition amazing stock videos. And bonus number 3, $100 a day income system. Bonus number 4, 1.5 million fonts correction. And bonus number 5, 10 million design elements. Bonus number 6, 100 plus done for you YouTube high definition videos. Bonus number 7, YouTube traffic case study. And bonus number 8, 100 plus premium themes and plugins. Bonus number 9, Camtasia software premium. And bonus number 10, 100 plus done for you viral trending high definition videos. Okay, and these are 10 amazing bonuses from the vendor. Of course, you see 4 from me, and then you have 14 super bonuses for yourself to make up your mind. The idea I'm doing this because I know that it can help you in the marketing, it can help you create a job for yourself on Fiverr, but all this is for you to consider and see if it's going to be for you. I have not seen it work, I have not used it, but I know that all the products that I have done for Rudy Rodra, none of them, I appear on his ranking some time ago, and not a single refund was returned. So that is how I know products that are do well by the buyers, because if it's not doing well, the buyers definitely like to get a refund or something. Okay, so with that said, the conclusion and the decision of course belongs to you. Okay, with that said, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and if you are a returning client, thank you for coming back, and of course I will come back to you in my next review. Till then, this is your Mike with Mbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here, is goodbye.